Hello, we're in Brighton again. We're now at North Lane just shopping, looking for clothes and different things. There's lots of unusual things down here, and then hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll get to the beach, have an ice cream, dip our toes in the water.
How's the one I love? Sweet soup and stew, and the moon on high. How's the reasons why? Sweet soup and you. While no one else can see, never shares my dream. Without you, dear, I wouldn't know what to do. This heart of mine, you look all the time. Sweet soup. I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down a word. How wonderful you're in love. How wonderful life is when you're in the world.
So I finally made it to Brighton Pier and I'm really excited. Brighton Pier is a very old site. It used to be for Victorians to come and just enjoy the seaside, and now it's a big tradition to just come and have ice cream. I also heard that Hannah Maggs is also in Brighton right now. I saw a tweet, so I'm hunting for her, and Stefan and Gracie, even though that sounds a bit stalkerish. I'm in here so I can hide and eat my ice cream because these, like, a group of seagulls just came and attacked us. We were walking along the pier, they swooped down and grabbed my mum's flake from her ice cream and then grabbed some ice cream from my sister. These seagulls are vicious. I wish I had it on camera. I'm so upset that I didn't get it. I just switched off my camera when it happened. And why does that always happen? So I'm eating ice cream over here to protect as soon as it happened, I put my ice cream down and stood next to Lucy to protect my ice cream because it's very important.
So that was a great day at Brighton. I really enjoyed myself. I think that was one of my favourite days of the holiday, apart from some of the ones in Ackle and the views and stuff like that. But it was a lot of fun. I got a tiny bit sunburnt, a tiny bit, not that much. And I was really disappointed that I didn't get to see Hannah Mags or anyone else. It was so crowded that I could have passed them a couple of times, never even noticed. Seagulls were terrifying. My mum now has a scratch and 2 cuts, bruises on her lip because of the seagull grabbing the ice cream. So be warned, if you go to Brighton, the seagulls are terrifying. Baby crazy, and Leon thinks they should all be shot. I don't know if we could go that far, but I seriously don't like seagulls, especially since last year when I was with my granddad. One pooed on me and it smelled really bad. That wasn't fun. It was in my hair as well. So I'm very against seagulls. So that was an interesting turn of the day.